Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Reddo token. Now the Reddo token is a meme coin, a brand new meme coin on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the information on the Reddo token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token has a marketing event going on. Basically, you can earn money by shilling out this token. And on their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here, there's an announcement about that in their pinned tweet. And they have all sorts of contests that go on, like February 10th. They tweeted out, the Reddo community contest is launching. For the next 10 days, you have a chance to win rewards by staying active in our Telegram group. And they have a link to their Telegram on the webpage right there, so you could check out that contest. That one is actually live. It said 10 days, so it should be live for at least 4 more days. And then in their pinned tweet, it says, big announcement. And this is from February 15th, just yesterday. We're launching Reddo soon. So it doesn't look like this token is fully available yet, but they have this contest going on here. And it says, we're launching the Reddo token soon. You can earn money just by talking about it. And it says, here's how. Number 1, join the Telegram again. So a lot of these updates and contests and events are on the Telegram, which you could follow at Reddo in Solana. And the link to that is just right there. So you could join that Telegram. They have 3,156 subscribers on there already. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's the place to be to get involved with these types of events. And so it says here, here's how to, first you join the Telegram, then create a video about the Reddo token. It says in your video, you should talk about the upcoming launch, showcase the mini app and rewards, showcase the social media views contest, and the more views you get on it, the more rewards you receive. So, I mean, this video is going to do that, but I doubt this video is going to get 10,000 views because, you know, it's a brand new token. But anyways, if you have a huge YouTube channel, you can get involved with this, especially if you get 1 million views here. It says, well, first of all, it says, earn Reddo for viral posts on TikTok and Instagram. I don't even know if YouTube's on here, but anyways, it says up to $1,000 for 1 million plus views, plus top referrer gets 0.5% of the token supply. So 10,000 views gets you $150. 50,000 views gets you $250. 100,000 views gets you $1,000. 500,000 views gets you $5,000. And 1 million plus views gets you $10,000. And it says DM at Reddo and Sol on X, which is this X in the corner of the screen here, to join. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just talking about this project here. They do have a full white paper on their webpage. If you scroll all the way down, reddosol.com. There is a buy now button that most likely will take you over to Raydium once this token launches in a day or two, or whenever this token launches. It doesn't give an exact date yet, but eventually this button will take you to Raydium, I assume. So first, if you wanted to get this token, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, you would find Raydium and then trade your Sol for this token, but you will have to wait till it launches, so I would follow the Twitter and the Telegram for updates on that, but it should be very soon. Now it says here the tokenomics, 50% of the tokens will go to liquidity, 30% will be burnt, 10% goes to marketing, and 10% goes to the Reddo boost. Now this token may also be available on other DEXs when it comes out, like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca. Maybe they'll get some central exchange listings as well. Doesn't say anything about taxes. You probably will not have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. On the webpage, they have the Twitter, the Telegram, the white paper. They also have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a YouTube channel that you could follow. And there is a roadmap on here as well. So they're starting here with the continued marketing to amplify hype around the Reddo community and collaborate with KOLs before launch. Looks like more of the roadmap will be coming soon. I can't even really click on it for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe I'll try to open it up in a different browser. It'll probably work here. Now, if you want to stay up to date with other new tokens, make sure you follow this channel. I'm going to be posting tons of other videos today about tokens here. And yeah, so the roadmap, okay, now I got it working. It says phase 2 is hit $10 million market cap in the first week of launch. That's a good goal. Phase 3, launch Reddo mini game on Telegram where users can farm Reddo and eat chili in New Mexico. Phase 4, hit $100 million market cap and secure a listing on the first central exchange. I'm sure there'll be more phases to follow, but that's what they're doing right now. Now, right now, there is Reddo merch that you can get on the webpage. Go to reddosol.com. And it says, welcome to the Reddo, a bold and spicy new meme coin born in the heart of New Mexico, USA. Inspired by the state's vibrant culture, fiery chili peppers, and relentless spirit, Reddo is here to shake up the crypto world with its roots in the fiery soul of New Mexico. Reddo brings a unique flavor to the market. It's not just a coin, it's a movement. One zesty step at a time, Reddo is ready to make waves, bringing heat and energy in every transaction. They have a little video that you could check out on their page there. And the Telegram, you can click preview, and it says Reddo is being protected by Safeguard. You got to verify that you're a human before getting in there. It looks like they have one photo, one video up so far on the Telegram. But yeah, this is a very early project, not even really out yet or anything. You can get the merch, but right now they just have the social media views contest. Maybe another contest you could check out. Looks like they're having they're promoting a mini app that they're creating as well. So yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.